Om Shanti. Morning Murli, 25th April. Sweet letter of Bab Dada for sweet, sweet children. Essence. Sweet children, forget your old bodies and bodily relations who cause you sorrow. Remember the one Father and follow Shrimat. Sweet children, forget your old bodies and bodily relations who cause you sorrow. Remember the one Father and follow Shrimat. Question. What is the Father's Shrimat you must definitely follow in order to return home with the Father? What is the Father's Shrimat you must definitely follow in order to return home with the Father? Answer. The Father's Shrimat is children become pure. Children become pure, imbibe knowledge fully, and make your stage karmatit. For only then will you be able to return home with Baba. If you don't become karmatit, you will have to wait in between and experience punishment. Many souls shed their bodies and wander around at the time of settlement. Instead of going home with the Father, they first have to experience punishment here and settle their karmic accounts. This is why the Father's Shrimat is, children, burn the burden of sin on your heads and settle your old karmic accounts with the power of yoga. Song. O traveler of the faraway land, take us with you. Om Shanti. The idea of omnipresence has now been removed from the intellects of you children. It has been explained to you very clearly that the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, creates a new creation through Prajapita Brahma. He is the creator who is called the Supreme Soul. You children know He comes and makes you belong to Him and liberates you from Maya. You have to forget your old bodies and bodily relationships, your friends and relatives who cause sorrow for one another. It is the same as the friends and relatives of an elderly person telling him to chant the name Rama. They only tell him something false. Neither do they know God, nor are they able to keep the remembrance of the Supreme Soul in their intellects. They think that God is omnipresent, yet they sing, O traveler of the faraway land. Souls come from far away. Souls come from far away, adopt bodies and play their parts. All of these things are explained to human beings. Human beings build temples to Shiva, worship him, and still keep searching for God here, there, and everywhere. They also say that he is present in everyone. They are called orphans. Those who don't know their master, they remember God, but they don't know him. They put their palms together in front of God and they understand that he is incorporeal. They put their palms together in front of the God and they understand that he is incorporeal. We souls are also incorporeal. This is the body of the soul, but no one knows about the soul. They say that a wonderful star shines in the middle of the forehead. If it is a star, why do they make such a big oval image? A part of 84 births is recorded in the soul. They don't even know this much and they continue to stumble everywhere in search of God. They consider everyone to be God. Badrinath is God, Krishna is God, and God is in the pebbles and stones. So why do they go so far to look for him? Those who don't belong to our deity religion will not become Brahmins and they will not able to imbibe knowledge. They will simply continue to say that this is good. The father says, children, I will take you back home with me. Only if you follow Shrimad, become pure, imbibe knowledge, and make your stage karmatit, will you be able to return home with me. Otherwise, you will have to wait in between and experience severe punishment. Many souls even wander around after they have died. Until they receive bodies, they continually wander around experiencing punishment. Here, there will be a lot of rubbish at the time of settlement. There is a hug burden of sin on everyone's head. All have to settle their karmic accounts. All have to settle their karmic accounts. Even now, some children don't understand what yoga is. They don't remember the father for even a minute. You children are told again and again to remember Baba. Because you have a hug burden of sin on you. People say that God is omnipresent. But in spite of that, they wander around so much on pilgrimages. They think they will find the way to meet God by doing all of those things of devotion. The Father says, those who are impure and corrupt cannot reach me. Those who are impure and corrupt cannot reach me. They say that so and so went to the land of Nirvana, the land beyond, but they are just telling lies. Because no one goes there. You now know how much people stumble around on the path of devotion. While studying all of those scriptures, etc., they have to come down. The Father makes you climb and Ravan brings you down. The Father now explains, if you follow my Shrimad and become pure, if you study well, you will then go to heaven. You will then go to heaven. Otherwise, you will not be able to claim a high status. There is so much service done at exhibitions. This form of service will now continue to increase. It will go to the villages, etc. This is a new invention and new points also continue to emerge. So you have to continue to study for as long as you live. Your aim and objective is for future. When you shed your bodies, you will become prince and princess. Heaven means heaven. There is no mention of hell there. The earth turns over and becomes new. These buildings, etc., will at all finish. These buildings, etc., will all finish. People say that the golden Dwarika went down below. However, it does not go down. It is just the cycle continues to turn. To go on pilgrimages, etc., is the path of devotion. Devotion is the night. When the night of devotion ends, Brahma comes to make it into the day. The copper and iron ages are the night of Brahma, and it then has to become the day. All are number-wise among you children too. All are number-wise among you children too. Not everyone can study to the same extent. There are different classes. Look how many people come to the exhibition every day. 5,000 to 7,000 come every day. And yet, look how many emerge from there. A few out of multi-millions. And even out of that few, only a handful. They write, Baba, there are 3 or 4 who come every day. Some even took the 7 days course, but they no longer come. Those who belong to the deity religion will remain here. Only ordinary poor people emerge. The wealthy are scarcely able to remain here. A lot of effort has to be made. Some write a letter, some even write in their blood, but as they move along, Maya eats them. A battle takes place and Ravan conquers them. However, those who hear even a little knowledge become part of the subjects. So Baba continues to explain that you have to follow Shrimat, just like Mama, Baba and the special children who make effort do. The name of Maharathis are mentioned. Who are those in the Pandav army? Their names are glorified. Just as the names of the main ones in the Kaurava army are glorified, the names of the Yadavs, the resident of Europe, are also mentioned. The name of famous people are printed in the papers. All of them have intellects that have no love for the Supreme Father, Supreme Soul. All of them have intellects that have no love for the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. Only when they know the Supreme Soul can they have love for him. Here too some children are unable to have love for God. They forget him again and again. Then their status is destroyed. The more you remember the Father, the more your sins will be absolved and the higher the status you will receive. So you also have to make others equal to yourself. You must be merciful and become sticks for the blind. Some are blind, some are deaf, and some have blurred vision. Here too, you children are number wise. Such children then go and become part of the ordinary subjects or maids and servants. As you progress further, you will have visions of everything. So it is not correct to say that God is omnipresent. God is the ocean of knowledge. He comes and gives you knowledge and teaches you Raj Yoga. The Shri Krishna soul who has taken the full 84 birth is now studying the Raj Yoga. These are such deep matters. At present, all are experiencing a lot of sorrow because they have forgotten the Father. The more effort you children make, the more your defects will be removed from within you. The destination is very high. The destination is very high. 8 main ones emerge from many hundreds of thousands. The rosary of 108 is then created, and then the rosary of 16,000. You are given this temptation so that you make effort. In fact, it is not a question of 16,000. The rosary is only of 108. It has the flower tassel at the top, and then the dual bead, and then the number wise rosary of Vishnu is created. So much is explained to you to enable you to make effort. Those who don't belong to this religion will not understand anything. They don't become worthy of attaining the happiness of heaven at all. Although there are many worshippers, they will also become part of the subjects. The status of the subjects is nothing. You say Mama and Baba, so you should follow them and become seated on the throne of Mama and Baba. Why do you become disheartened? Why do you become disheartened? In a school, if a student says that he will not pass, everyone would say that he is dull-headed. Sensible children study very well and claim a high number. So you children can do very good service at the exhibitions. You can even ask Baba, Baba, am I worthy of doing service? Baba would then tell you, child, you still have a lot to learn. That is, you have to become worthy. Those who explain to the Pandits and scholars have to be very clever. So first of all, you are made to have the faith that God has come. You call out, O resident of the faraway land, come and take us back with you because we are experiencing a lot of sorrow. there will not be as many people in the golden age. All souls will go to the land of liberation. Everyone in the world is doing so much devotion for that. The Father says, I will take all of you back with me. You will receive liberation and liberation in life in a second. If you have faith, you become liberated in life. There is status in the liberation in life. So you also have to make effort to claim the status of a king or queen. Mama and Baba become the emperor and empress of the world. So why should you not claim a status? Those who make effort cannot remain hidden. A whole kingdom is being established. Those who belong to the deity religion will definitely come. Mama and Baba become the king and queen. So why should you not make effort? Children writes letter to Baba. Baba, I go to the center sometimes. Now I have to get my daughter married. Introduce me to a boy who has knowledge so that I can get her married. The daughter says that she will not get married. Many children and innocent ones are beaten. So Baba writes, mother, father and child should all come to Baba so that Baba can make you understand. Since you write respected Pitashri to Baba, then come to Baba. If you don't have money for your ticket, you will be given that too. When you personally come in front of Baba, you will receive Shrimat. You must not allow the Kumari to fall into vice. Otherwise, you will become a sinful soul. So you will have to follow the Father's Shrimat and become pure. Acha, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children, and we spiritual children says Namaste, good morning to our sweetest spiritual father. Essence for Dharana. First, make effort to claim a status in liberation in life. Just as the mother and father become the emperor and empress, follow them in the same way and claim their throne. Become sensible and study well. Have true love for the Father. Be merciful and show the path to the blind. Take Shrimat directly from Baba and save yourself and others from becoming sinful souls. Today's blessing. Feel Baba's hand on your head and take a blessing. May you be a contented soul who watches the different cartoon shows of Maya and matter as a detached observer. May you be a contented soul who watches the different cartoon shows of Maya and matter as a detached observer. Baba is saying, at the confluence age, Bap Dada's special gift is contentment. A contented soul will experience any situation of upheaval as a puppet show. A contented soul will experience any situation of upheaval as a puppet show. Nowadays, cartoon shows are in fashion. So whenever any situation arises, consider it to be a cartoon or puppet show taking place on the unlimited screen. It is a show of Maya or matter which you must just have to continue to watch while stabilized in the stage of a detached observer. It is a show of Maya or matter which you just have to continue to watch while stabilized in the stage of a detached observer. Keep your dignity and remain content, and you will then be said to be a contented soul. Keep your dignity and remain content, and you will then be said to be a contented soul. Slogan: to stay beyond any type of defects is to become perfect. To stay beyond any type of defects is to become perfect. Om Shanti. Mateshwari Ji's invaluable elevated versions. After becoming a true child of God, there should not be any doubt. After becoming a true child of God, there should not be any doubts. God's versions for the children are: Children, since God Himself has come down on earth, we must truly give our hands to that God. However, only a true and firm child can give his hand to Baba. So never let go of this father's hand. If you let go of it, you will become an orphan. And then where will you go? You will become an orphan, and then where will you go? Since you have got hold of God's hand, you must neither think, even in a subtle way, that you should let go, nor must you have any doubts. I don't know whether I will be able to go across or not. There are some children who, because of not recognizing the Father, oppose him and say that they are not concerned about anything. If you have such thoughts, then how would the Father look after such unworthy children? If you have such thoughts, then how would the Father look after such unworthy children? Then understand that you will fall, because Maya will try a lot to make you fall. Because she will definitely test you to see how much of a brave and strong warrior you are. This is also necessary. The stronger we belong to God, the stronger Maya will become and try to make us fall. The two match one another well. The two match one another well. The stronger God is, Maya will also show her own strength. But we have firm faith that God is ultimately the strongest, and He will be the winner. Have this faith in every breath. Have this faith in every breath. Show your own strength to Maya. She will not show her weakness in front of God. If you become weak even once, that is it. It is all over. This is why, even though Maya shows her force, you must not let go of the hand of the Lord of Maya. Even though Maya shows her force, you must not let go of the hand of the Lord of Maya. If you hold on to his hand firmly, you can then understand that you will be victorious. Since God is our master, so we must not have any thought of letting go of his hand. Since God is our master, we must not have any thought of letting go of his hand. If you let go of his hand, you are a great fool. You are a great fool. This is why God says, children, since I am the Almighty, so while being with me, I will definitely also make you powerful. Do you understand, children? Acha. Om Shanti. Thank you, Baba, Mama.